There goes the Globemaster, the same plane that left Afghanistan years ago. Dang. That thing is massive. That thing's massive. It's a big one. I'd say not big as the C-5 Galaxy, but it is definitely a big one. There it goes. First flew in 1991. You see the way it turns. Look, Mom, look at the way it's turning. It has a lot of maneuverability. Look, it could turn, really turn. It could turn so tight.
Legs?
He could do the legs.
At least I got this over the front. Better than him.
Look at that. Look at the way it's maneuvering. Look at the way it's maneuvering. Like, wow. Just for a big heavy lifter, well, I should say the newest of the heavy lifters, I give it credit. That thing is good to transport paratroopers and cargo stuff, I'd say. Wait, I was about to say, I thought. There it goes. Nice. Oh, now it's gonna pitch up.